Goldman Sachs. This came out yesterday, but I love this story. So they're basically moving the markets division into its wealth management business rather than where it was before, which is more of its consumer. So the question was why? Do they want to cross-sell that product to less rich people? Do they want to just get less rich people in the door?
And I think less rich people, you mean less rich
people who are less
not
rich. Not
fewer rich people, more less rich people.
Yeah, more less rich people for your grammar lesson here on Bloomberg TV.
No, but that's part of the story, right?
Yeah,
they want to expand out. They want to be more like J.P. Morgan, like Bank of America, Merrill Lynch or something, and not just be the ultra high net worth people.
But to both of your points, it does raise this question of, okay, but are you diluting the brand? And, David, you said something before we came on air of so now if I'm a high-end Goldman customer, am I going to be getting these emails like, hey, want to have a loan from Marcus? Yes. I mean, you would think they'd be better than that, but, we'll see how this all plays out. I mean, what's, again, sort of stepping back, what's interesting here to me is that David Solomon, we've seen a lot of people moves already, and now he's starting to put his mark on sort of the structure of the bank. And this is a huge growth area, candidly. I mean, they are lagging some of their big competitors, J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley notably.
Well, but does he believe Marcus is a huge growth area or not? Because there were reports earlier they're sort of trimming back. That was a big Lloyd Blankfein initiative.
Right.
I don't think we talked to David Solomon even a year ago. He'd be on board with it too. He's like, it's awesome, it's going to grow, it's going to be great.
That's what he was saying, but you do wonder whether he's signaling something a little bit different here and sort of tucking it in to maybe hedge his bets a little bit.